In this video lesson, let us understand reactions involving cleavage of OH bond and that reaction with alkalis. In the previous video lesson, we understood the example with metals. Now the reaction with alkalis. Alkalis like sodium hydroxide and sodium bicarbonates react separately. So I am going to discuss in two different videos for deeper understanding. So what is the formula of sodium hydroxide? NaOH. Let us see how the carboxylic acid reacts with this alkali. RCOOH reacts with sodium hydroxide. I write sodium hydroxide as OHNa. Now what happens? There is a cleavage between oxygen and hydrogen, or bond of the hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid. Now this H combines with OH of sodium hydroxide forming water. This happens of course upon heating and Na will take the place of hydrogen. So now what happens? They form a salt RCOONa along with formation of water. Now if you look at the reactants and the products formed, you will get a clear idea that it is a simple process of neutralization. Carboxylic acids which are acidic in nature are reacting with the alkalis or the bases like sodium hydroxide forming salt and water. So this process is the phenomenon of neutralization. What would be the name of this salt? This is to be called, it's an ester. COO is there, so it is an ester. So we call it as sodium salt of carboxylic acid or sodium carboxylate. Carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid, or else we can call it as sodium carboxylate. Now this was a general reaction. Now let us write the specific reaction with an example by replacing R, the first case, with CH3. CH3COOH. The name of this acid is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is its IUPAC name. It is also called acetic acid. Acetic acid is its trivial nomenclature. Reacts with sodium hydroxide. I am writing it for easy understanding as OHNa. So like that, removal of water takes place. Then we are obtaining CH3COONa. What is the name of this compound? Sodium. There are two carbon atoms and it is an ester. So sodium ethanoate. Or else what is its trivial nomenclature? Sodium acetate. Be familiar with both the names, but in exams usually they will ask you to write its IUPAC nomenclature, and this is associated with formation of water. Students, if you practice to write the general reactions correctly, then with general reaction you can just replace the R with the required component like I have done in this case with CH3. Now let me replace the R with, in the second example, this is example 1, and in the example 2, let me replace this R with an aromatic compound C6H5, then COOH. So what is the name of this compound? You know that it is benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. When treated with the alkali sodium hydroxide, cleavage of the O and H takes place from the carboxylic acid upon heating, resulting in the formation of C6H5COO Na. What is the name of this compound? Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Sodium and this is benzoate. Along with formation of water. So therefore, this is how the carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. Now when we compare this reaction with the alcohols, alcohols do not react with sodium hydroxide. Dear students, this is an important point you should remember. Alcohols do not react with sodium hydroxide. That means this type of reaction is not shown by alcohols, whereas phenols, when treated with sodium hydroxide, they form sodium phenate salt. So reaction with phenol and sodium hydroxide is observed. Reaction with alcohol and sodium hydroxide is not observed. Please bear this point in your mind. The next video lesson, let us discuss about reaction with alkali. That's the second alkali under consideration would be sodium bicarbonate, which is also called as sodium hydrogen carbonate.